Hi, want to know how to enable or disable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Advanced Features. Click on it and here we can already see the setting one-handed mode. To enable it or disable it, we would need to simply click on this slider. Now let's leave it enabled and then click on the name of this tab. Here you have two options how to turn on the one-handed mode with the help of gesture or button. For me, more comfortable is the button, so now let's test it. I'll go to my home screen and double tap the home button, and you can see that the screen has become much smaller. This mode was invented so you can easily reach the whole screen with only one finger. As you can see, I can reach the top and also the bottom, but if the screen will be full-sized, I won't be able to reach almost half of the screen at the top. So you can do here everything as usual, but it's just smaller, and we are also able to move it from side to side with the help of this arrow, and with the help of this line we can change its position, for example to middle or to the top like this, and here we can also switch it to another side. And now to exit the one-handed mode, simply click on any empty place that you can see around the screen and you'll be back in normal. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.